guys, it's SEMA 2019 here at the Las Vegas Convention Center. My first time, to catch a little car show with the drifts. All right. And I only brought my phone, not my big camera. So let's enjoy. Now I believe you can get in line and get a free ride with this stuff over there, but I don't have a ticket or a pass. Woo! That looks like fun, yeah? I almost got so excited. Check it out. Ooh. Hello, Vega.
It's impressive.
How is it? Oh, check out the roll for the
Yeah, this one looks really
hit
nice.
those wheelies, you know?
Yours?
Ah, so very nice.
Yeah, a new Mustang dash in it, like a.
This Ford Mustang, little Lego. What you got? Little Juice. Driveline presents.
Then they repainted it. Yeah.
All right. No, I wish I would have brought my big camera. Check out the Cadillac. Check out the license number, license plate, Maybelline. Oh, Maybelline, why can't you be true? Oh, Maybelline. Well, and there's a food truck. And here we are. Whoa, check it out. I said, trucks. I'm gonna walk a little bit north and see what's going on the north side of this place. It's hot. If this were in July, oh man, I don't think it'd be as big a hit as it is now because a lot of things are outside, you know? They're outside just hanging around. What's in here? This is the Ford stuff, I believe. Oh, got a little, the trio. Oh, here you got the big boys. Yokohama, great city, great city. And if you want to take a ride on the inside one of these trucks, they give you some helmets. You sign the waiver and just go for a nice little fast ride. Hey, whoa.
My wife won't believe me. She won't.
I guess they have a racing simulator right there. So that's pretty cool. To check that baby out. Oh yeah. Chevy Corvette. Very nice. Stingray? There you go. Check it out. And the interior. Very nice. Corvette coupe. A little bit of glare. The interior.
I never got a side shot of that.
Mustang. Oh, look up in the sky. It's an orange truck. And off in the distance, you can see part of the construction of the Las Vegas Convention Center expansion, which I heard was over budget. So there you go. New video coming soon. Please stand by. Monorail. Monorail. Another gray truck. You know, I haven't seen this gray color so much before, or maybe not at all. I don't recall. So I guess that's a new thing, perhaps. New trend. Oh! There we go. Very nice. Very nice. And there's our good old monorail. For those tourists, it's $5 a ride. There are discount tickets. Locals is $1 a ride. Not bad.
I said
for locals. Nice little race car. Speed dome. Another gray one. Huh. That is interesting. The blue box. Check it out. It's a Toyota? What is this? Maybe it's an old chopped up Land Cruiser? Maybe? Looks like, yeah. Huh. All right. Looks like steampunk stuff to me, but I could be wrong. Oh, sorry. All right. This is the Hot Wheels collection. Hey. Monster car. Whoa. This beauty is called the gargoyle, not gargoyle, but gargoyle. Can you see the like the claws on the fenders with the wheel hub? Whatever it's called. Oh shit! Check it out. Look on the other side. There we go. Check it out. And even on the back, on the boot or the trunk, they got a lovely little picture.
Cadillac, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Very interesting, yeah. All right, you guys. I believe that just about. Hang on, what is over here? I believe that just about completes our lovely little walk around through the SEMA 2019. As always, I am your host, OneManOneCamera. Like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello. And I will always say hello back. Take care, wherever you are. And have a great day. And if you're in town for SEMA, hope you're having a blast. Au revoir.